Well, g'day there friends and traders right around the world. Thanks for joining me on this special weekend market update. First of all, I'd like to wish you all again a belated Merry Christmas. I hope you spent the Thursday with friends and family, loved ones who are close to your heart. You had some cherishable moments over the festive period. You had indulged yourself, pardon me, in some nice food and wine. Very excited moving into next week's trading. It is going to be a 4-day trading week. We do have, of course, New Year's Eve and New Year's Day on Thursday. We are essentially ushering in the beginning of 2015. I'm very, very excited to see what the trading year of 2015 is going to bring us. The reason why I'm giving you this special weekend market update is because I've just recorded the pro analysis class. It is up on the website, and what I did in that particular class was I ushered in two new stocks into our top 13 individual trade list for 2015. Those two stocks are GoPro, GPRO is the ticker symbol, and also Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. Please excuse my very messy writing. Now, the reason why I'm giving you the special market update is because I want to stress the importance of your feedback. I need you to help me choose which stock or stocks which are going to be removed from the existing Pivot Point Pro analysis list. First of all, we have removed Disney. So if you have a look on the left-hand side of my screen, we've got the pro list here. These are the stocks which sit as at this weekend and which were included in this weekend's pro analysis class. We have Apple, we have Amazon, Alibaba, Baidu, Caterpillar, FAS, which is the financial ETF. We have Facebook, Google, GoPro, Halliburton, Netflix, Starbucks, Tesla, and Twitter. These are all stocks which I did just walk through, and we have current trade setups on all of them. Very, very excited for the week ahead, and of course the beginning of 2015 on Friday. Now, the reason again is because we have added two new stocks into the list, Alibaba and GoPro. I need to remove two. Well, I've actually removed one. As you are all well aware, for those who are participating in the class already, we have removed Disney. So ticker symbol DIS has been removed. This allows us to remove one additional stock. The two which I highlighted in this weekend's class was Halliburton and Starbucks. These are really the two which are under the microscope moving forward. Personally, I'm more so sitting on the fence of Starbucks. I think we should remove the price, or at least the stock of Starbucks, from that list. Halliburton has been an exceptional stock to trade over the past 2 to 3 weeks, or since including it in the list. We did catch that incredible breakdown at $47.60, and right now we are setting up an incredible Bollinger Band squeeze on this particular stock, which is going to most likely break out this trading week. If not, it's going to be a sure thing in 2 weeks' time. So I am more inclined to leave Halliburton in the top 13 list and to remove Starbucks. I do want you to email me, even give me a call. My email address is success@pivotpoint-trading.com. Let me know your feedback. I do value and cherish your feedback, as I do interact with many of our students in that pro analysis class. Also walking through some of those stocks, also some incredible trade setups which are really presenting themselves to really capitalize on and start a very prosperous 2015. Twitter is one of those stocks, an exceptional trade setup on that particular trade. Tesla as well is really looking very, very good. Netflix, very neutral moving into the week. Watch for another Bollinger Band on that particular stock. What I did also was that I actually charted GoPro and also Alibaba for scratch. So you're going to see how, of course, I draw the support and resistance lines on new stocks which are floated, and also any stock for that matter. Very, very powerful type of lesson included in this weekend's class. Google as well, very neutral at a very important pivot point. Facebook on the precipice of breaking out, a very nice consolidation type of pattern setting up at the all-time highs. We are still holding that primary trend line, which is very enticing for long traders who are looking to get into Facebook for 2015. FAS, the financial ETF, I'm pretty neutral on that particular ETF. It's not really a blockbuster trade setup for the week ahead. I made my thoughts very, very clear on that particular trade. The same with Caterpillar. I'm looking for potentially a rollover at this pivot point as we start hitting our first target at $94.80. We're very close, or came very close to that on Friday. Baidu, a very, very good continuation pattern, which has got me very excited about the price action of Baidu for this week and also the following week. An incredible long trade setup on Baidu, which could, in effect, trigger on Monday. Trigger on Monday next week. Baba, again, I did chart this stock from start to finish. You can see the support and resistance on my chart. An incredible trade, or an incredible stock anyway, which I think is going to bring us some incredible success for 2015. Amazon, again, still contending with that primary downward trend line. This is going to be a stock which moves at least $120, even beginning January 2015. Watch for that macro breakout of that large descending triangle which is setting up. It looks as if we are basing in the price of Amazon, and it could be January 2015 where we get that significant breakout which we've been expecting for the past month or so. And Apple, again, very neutral, but have a look at the daily price action on Friday. A very, very nice Morobozu candlestick. Volume is starting to come back into Apple. Again, we move into or transition into a seasonally low volume as people and market participants take vacations over the festive period. Again, we're moving into New Year's on Thursday. I do wish you all a very, very enjoyable New Year's, no matter what you are doing around the world. Personally, I am going to be spending my New Year's at the Gold Coast, which is about 50 to 60 miles south of Brisbane, Australia. It is really a picturesque place on the Australian coastline. Many people who come to Australia at least spend a couple of days at the Gold Coast, so I'm very excited. All I'm wishing for is good weather, because at the moment in Brisbane, Australia, it is pouring down. It's overcast, it's cold, it's drizzly. It's not the typical hot summer, or the hot summer days which we experience on the east coast of Australia over Christmas. So thank you so much for watching this weekend's analysis on the markets. Again, it's really focused around the discussion, or at least your opinion on which stock should be dropped out of the top 13 list. Again, just to recap, should we remove Starbucks, ticker symbol SBUX, or should we remove Halliburton, ticker symbol HAL, because we have, as at this weekend, included GoPro, GPRO, and also Alibaba. Again, that pro analysis class has been posted. Really exceptional class this week. I'm very excited, of course, for you to see what the market is set to do, and of course those individual trade setups. Email me anytime, success@pivotpoint-trading.com. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, traders all around the world, have an enjoyable weekend. I'll see you all for more routine market updates beginning Monday after market close. All the best. Goodbye.